Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Number one fan forever. Your biggest supporter. 1. I'm your number one fan forever. The cheering never takes a day off. 2. I'm your biggest supporter. Win or lose, I'm still clapping. 3. Your success feels exciting to watch. Every achievement is worth celebrating. 4. I'm always rooting for you. Teamwork makes every journey better. 5. I believe in your potential. Keep reaching for your goals. 6. Your progress deserves applause. Every tiny step counts. 7. I'm here for the highlights and the tiny bloopers. The funny moments are unforgettable. 8. Your determination inspires me. Keep going, you've got this. 9. I'm cheering louder than your alarm clock. Wake up, superstar. 10. You make every day more entertaining. Thanks for the smiles. 11. I'm collecting your victories like trophies. Every milestone is exciting. 12. Your positive energy is contagious. It brightens everyone's day. 13. I'm on Team U. No transfers requests. 14. You keep improving. That's fun to watch. 15. I'm your biggest hype squad. The applause is unlimited. 16. I'll celebrate your wins. Even the tiny ones deserves a cheer. 17. You're doing better than you think. Keep believing in yourself. 18. Every comeback deserves a standing ovation. Persistence is powerful. 19. I'm cheering from the front row. Best seat in the home. 20. You make challenges look like adventures. That's impressive. 21. Keep shining. The world can use more positivity. 22. Your effort inspire people. Hard work is worth noticing. 23. I'll keep encouraging you. Motivation is free. 24. Your journey is fun to follow. Every chapter brings something new. 25. You make ordinary moments memorable. That's a special talent. 26. I'm waving imaginary pom-poms. Go, go, go. 27. You smile deserves its own fan club. It's contagious. 28. I'll keep believing in you. Confidence grows with support. 29. You're amazing in your own unique way. Keep believing yourself. 30. Number one fan forever. I'll keep cheering, laughing, celebrating every step of your journey. Kindly like, share, subscribe. Gracias.